You've chosen a fantastic topic. The anticipation for the DJI Avata 3 is huge, especially among the US FPV and drone enthusiast audience. A 30-minute, leak-based, and highly engaging faceless script needs to focus on fear, excitement, and revolutionary technology. Here is your complete content package for the DJI Avata 3 video. Helicopter DJI Avata 3 Viral Video Toolkit. 1. Memo the irresistibly engaging faceless video script, approximate 30 minutes. Voiceover begins. The tone is intense, fast-paced initially, then becomes investigative and slightly urgent, using the language of a tech insider. Stop scrolling. Put your goggles down. If you own an Avata 2, or if you've been waiting for the perfect FPV drone to enter the market, you are about to witness a disruption so massive it will instantly make every other Cinewhoop on the market obsolete. This is not speculation anymore. This is a deep dive into the verified patents, the supply chain leaks, and the beta tester whispers that confirm the existence, the design, and the revolutionary capabilities of the DJI Avata 3. You thought the Avata 2 was good? Think again. The Avata 3 is rumored to be the culmination of every FPV pilot's dream and every DJI engineer's darkest secret. We're talking about an entirely redesigned system that addresses the two biggest complaints of the previous models: battery life and image quality. Let's start with the revolutionary battery leak. Forget the standard Li-ion cells. The Avata 3 is reportedly adopting a new, high-density solid-state battery technology. This isn't just a 10% increase. Sources suggest the Avata 3 will be capable of a sustained 30-minute flight time. Think about that. Half an hour of aggressive FPV acrobatics without swapping a battery. This fundamentally changes how you film, how you explore, and how you compete. This move alone justifies the upgrade, but we're just getting started. The second seismic shift is the camera system. The Avata 3 is rumored to ditch the standard 1/1.3-inch sensor for a significantly larger 1-inch Type Stacked CMOS sensor. Yes, you heard that right, a 1-inch sensor in a Cinewhoop. This isn't just for bragging rights. This is for true cinematic quality. Imagine shooting 6K video at 60 frames per second, internally, with 10-bit D-Log-M color depth. The low-light performance will be unmatched. The dynamic range? Absolutely breathtaking. No more grainy sunset footage. No more blown-out highlights. The Avata 3 is coming to steal jobs from traditional heavy-lift drones. Now, let's talk about the FPV experience itself. The leaks confirm a radical overhaul of the O3 transmission system, which may be dubbed O4 Pro. This system is said to introduce a dual-band frequency hopping capability that virtually eliminates signal drops in high-interference environments. But the real game-changer is the Goggles 3. These new goggles are rumored to feature micro-OLED displays with a native 1080p resolution for each eye, a massive field of view, and critically integrated depth sensing technology. This means a true spatial awareness system built into the FPV view, providing collision warnings based on proximity, not just object recognition. This makes flying safer, more aggressive, and more immersive than ever before. But wait, the biggest structural leak involves the design. DJI is reportedly moving to a